Just had a few good days with some engineers out, and they've all buggered off yesterday. Had a little glory hole here. I think it was about a dozen bits came out. Not big, the biggest was about 3 grams, I think. And I finally tidied that up this morning. Another 3 came out. I thought I'd just throw the video on and give a bit of a demo of how useful this 10x5 can be on the SDC. I've been using the 14 Elite on the 5000 to punch down into some of these crevices, and you know, you can get a faint, very faint murmur out of this guy here, but it's a classic example of, you know, you can get the point of the 10x5 in there really well and just hear what's going on. Really hard to try and track these down if you don't have that ability. So really handy opportunity to point out the usefulness of that. I'll come back if I can get this little level out. So I managed to get a rock out of there and get down to it, and it's another nice little bit. Nice little bit. This bar is just littered with the little devils. Had a ounce back over there a couple of years back. It's got scratchings back up that way, so it's quite a productive little spot.